Ananu ya ina saying. Wow, down for Stephen.
Capito, yeah.
Echo Sunyai Sumpa FM.
Yeah.
Edin Semi ko
Sunyai na Kumasi.
Ne Sunyai.
Sunyai. Oh, okay. Enjenye Kumasi Sumpa. Oh, okay.
Se Sunyai.
Oko chief imam ho mzo no ye bibi wo. Anofa.
Anofa. Enti enkomodie mu aze okansem bebre na baku bi okan ya se abedane dede wo krom ne se yemfa brofo ka kese ena enye football na ogidie se wo mo bobo atwam no e wo se ka omso nya dibre e wo GF wo no omso de boa Ghana football asem no amanfo ebi fan no differently ama esco member na no Oduro Sarfo so e reply se nkasa na tie dia as footballers nzu pe school nko na wo pese wo ba wo dia e wo se o uko school asem na nya man for
ka se o nko school and organize education
na education is school
education say it can be indeed but say we work with school but you needed education to be a commentator.
I was it tell some na Stephen kind as a football association.
Yes,
mo fan saying
well as we speak Oduro Sarfo has apologized and retracted his statement, so I wouldn't want to dwell much on it, but the truth is that we have never turned our back on our ex-footballers.
Right.
Meteors, they say American Black Meteors, all the coaches including the team manager are ex-footballers. Black Starlets, Larry Kingston is assistant to Zito, former players of the Black Stars. Black Meteors, Ibrahim Tanko. Black Satellites, Sebi Imperials, because of Ipra. Samobodu national team because of Ipra. But I saw Samobodu at Kapoa.
Yeah.
I saw him at Brooklyn even before he went to Burkina Faso. His assistant is also an ex-footballer.
Domo.
No.
When an assistant?
A fellow Desmond. Desmond. Me refer his name, but he's a Ghanaian who was born here but went to abroad.
Okay.
Lived in Belgium, played for top Belgian clubs.
All right.
Even before Ansana, Orita, and he has worked in Nigeria. He has worked in America, UK, and he's now the assistant to me checking it.
Oh no, and a little bit mafa.
Anyway, the full name. So all I am saying is that even aside coaching, some ex-internationals are in key positions at the FA.
This is Amiku for joining the Juma's Black Stars Management Committee member. No kribu.
Yes, I think it was just before we played Angola.
I didn't.
Oh, say
one can
FA man appointment.
No,
so maybe I do not episode the tour or concentrate on PFAG.
Oh,
and
okay.
so you have to respect it. But back to the
and
point.
No.
Oh, okay, no. Back to the point I was making. If anything, Kwame Ayu, player status, or a vice chairman of the player status committee. The list is endless. You can talk, you can go over and over and over again. Even Stephen Appiah has been offered the opportunity to go for the CAF license B through the FA. No, on July. We spoke to him. Yes, the general secretary engaged him. He agreed. I think it was a discussion they had even before science and so we've always had a good relationship. When we were at the World Cup, ex-players Baho, Stephen came there, Sule came there, all of them, they come around.
Okay.
And so we have a good relationship.